Alright, we're about to be live. She says she want a real one. Hey, okay, we live. What's up? What's up, guys? What's up? It's G here. I got Trippy with me today. You got your audio on?
Yo, what's up,
Hey,
guys?
I wanted to do a little freestyle really quick for us before we get started. We got
Oh,
big
let's
breaking news.
freestyle.
You gonna
Come
just
on,
drop
man.
it? Everybody, hit the thumbs up for us. Hit the thumbs up for Trippy. He's trying. It's not much, but it's honest work.
Hey,
Uh, uh. You
hey,
going in or what?
yeah. Hey, it's a red day in the market today. It's a. Hold on, I gotta restart.
Alright, hold up, y'all. Take back.
I'm pretty faded, so I can't keep up with my tongue. Hey, smoking on these trees till I can't breathe. It's a red day in the market. It's okay, yeah. Cause I'ma buy some puts on Apple, man. Me and GG got the DD, man.
Yeah. She said she wanted a real one. I told her come find one.
Oh yeah, in the club they don't even ID. I'm not even 20. Ooh, what you call that? Made 5K last night. What you call that? Boss man moves. Yeah, that's what I call that. Me and GG gonna buy all the gold. So you
Cody
niggas don't got the gold.
Cody when I piss, right?
Hey, yeah, hey. I smoke woods every day, but now I like pouring up the codeine.
And that's a wrap, boys. Alright, that's enough joking around, guys. We want to go ahead and do the little live DD, or what's up? Should I do?
Yeah, breaking news. It's a coincidence that the new president of Sri Lanka is actually part of the young global leaders of Klaus Schwab. This is breaking DD, GG.
That just came out? I was going to talk about
that just came out. Oh, we could talk about the Walmart DD right now too.
Yeah, so what happened with Walmart after hours?
Walmart now. Yeah, go ahead.
I bet.
High for Walmart earlier this
this man already halfway in. He don't.
Welcome back to
everybody shut up.
Live. Time now
for some
after-hours movers, and we're just talking about that breaking news with respect to Walmart that is rippling through the retail space right now. By the way, they lowered their guidance for their next earnings. That's what you're supposed to do, not shock investors the way that happened last quarter. You can see Amazon is off about 3% and Walmart down about 8%. And let's take a look at the last 5 days price action. You can see up 2.5%. Well, that has been erased now. You take a look at the 3-year chart. This was a record high for Walmart earlier this year, and it was a false break to the upside. If you take a look at the technicals here, a lot of FOMO, excited about this move. Boom. Last quarter was absolutely a disaster. Let me just show you what that's looking like on a year-to-date basis.
Looking bad today for Walmart after hours. It's going to be bloody tonight.
Investors of the stock,
real bloody. It's going to be blood in the water. Shark going to come out. Bear's going to come out.
Some of the other movers here. It looks like Target is down 3.8.
We got a couple other people affected. Target, Costco, Dollar General, Ross, especially JP Morgan. Not JP Morgan. What's the other one? Nordstrom. For some reason I say J because their ticker is JWN. But yeah, we had some breaking news, people. Then Trippy's gonna rap for us for a halftime show, and you're gonna get that ready. That rap was kind of ass though.
Yeah, it is off the dome.
Yeah, but he's gonna work on the studio in the back and get us another rap going for the halftime show break. Right now, we're gonna cover the Walmart news that came out right after market close, and that's basically what happened to the whole entire indexes. Walmart basically cut down their guidance. So, what's that saying to you, man? Inflation's high. People can't really buy luxury stuff. They have to spend all their money on necessities.
People, because of quote unquote supply and demand issues. Or I'm sorry, because there's quote unquote supply issues, every store has
on shit, right?
Yeah, every store raising the price. Families can no longer afford it, which reflected in Walmart, having not a good earnings, right?
Yeah, well, there was a lack of supply at first, right? There was so much demand, not enough supply. And then Walmart, they started ordering, doing all this to try to get ahead. but now the economy's slowing down, and basically now there's no demand, so now they have all this backup inventory. So basically the same thing that happened to Target, and now they're gonna have to cut a lot of these prices because people don't need them. So like just the margins are gonna come down, which is gonna affect their revenue. And so just there's like tons of store shelves, warehouses, like with aggressive like items, just like basically backlog, basically a whole bunch of stuff. You know what I'm saying? And it's really like their revenue is still going to be good, or their earnings, but most of it's going to come from food and stuff, which has like a low margin. That's what I was reading. So inflation has grown at like the fastest pace in 4 decades. I know you got some DD on that. But gas pump has been higher. The grocery store and restaurants, everything's going up. And so now people are like a little more cautious on what they spend their money on. So instead of getting that TV, instead of getting, you know, anything that's like a accessory, not really a necessity, is like just being left on the shelf right now. So Walmart's taking a hit on that, and basically they're gonna slash the prices so they can get rid of some of that stuff. What do you think, Trippy? Yeah, he's quiet. He's working. Well, he's working on a rap, so I'm gonna let him.
I agree with everything you said.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But I am a little bearish on the market now because Walmart did tank.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, GGG, do you want to explain why Walmart tanking is such a big deal for the market?
It's a big deal for the market because it's showing that the economy is slowing down, right? So the demand is coming down. Supplies, you know, they were trying to catch up supply, and now they don't even need to catch up supply. And they basically just, I guess for the market, it looks bad because it's bringing down all these other retail stocks like Target, Costco, like everything's getting pummeled right now, basically.
Yeah, isn't Walmart considered like a blue chip, kind of?
Yes, that's a good point. So Walmart's like a safe haven, basically. Not a safe haven, but it's a legacy one, right? So it's a safe stock. So if some of these like safe stocks, quotation like consumer discretionary, and I can actually pull this up, the charts for you guys. Let me go to unusual wells. You guys can actually look this up on your own. I have a link down below. You guys can sign up. You get 5%. You guys know the deal. I always plug that stuff in for you guys. But let me quickly. Where is the I gotta go down to, I think, sectors flow. Yeah, we'll take a look at that in just a bit. I'm gonna plug in the link for you guys so you can sign up and get 5% if you want it. Here we go. Here's the consumer staples, consumer discretionary, and so everything's pretty much good for market hours, right? But of course, after hours, everything's in the gutter. Let me post this link for y'all real quick. What's up, Trigger Man? Hey, what's up? So you think Google earnings is good? What if Google earnings is good? What do you think about Google earnings, Trippy? So these are the consumer discretionaries here and the consumer staples.
I think bullish.
Yeah, so you're bullish?
I am.
You bullish?
Is it before Powell speaks?
Oh yeah, it's like tomorrow after hours. I think honestly, Google is a strong stock, and it's already. We'll talk about Google's chart in a bit. I kind of wanted to finish up. Yeah, I like Google. I like Google though, and we'll talk a little bit more about it and why I think they can be and stuff. I think Snapchat's more of a beta stock. Google is like alpha major, you know. What do you think? Snapchat's dead. You know what I'm saying? In my opinion.
Yeah, miles ahead. You're right.
Yeah, no. Everybody's on TikTok or Twitter. You know, nobody unless you're doing drugs or trying to sell weed and stuff. Nobody's on.
Or sexting.
Or sexting, right. So, yeah, and see, the homie Trigger Man. Is that you, Trippy? Is that one of your backup accounts? He says, I think Google earnings is going to be good, guys. Yes, sir. I think that's your backup account.
That's not my account. That's not my account.
Well, let me get back to this discretionary consumer staple. These are like the safe haven stocks, right? Like consumer staples was up 0.49%.
How would you play this out tomorrow and so on?
Snap is dead. Hell yeah, Snap is dead. Hold on, let me finish. So let me just get this point across real quick. So if the safe stuff is like getting wrecked, what do you think about technology and like some of like real estate? Like a lot of like the more high growth stuff is gonna get like pummeled tomorrow, right?
See, my theory is that companies like Google, they're companies that make advances towards the future. They're companies that make AI technology,
Right.
you know. So
Innovation.
I feel like, you know, with this being the future and everything, I don't see a reason for Google to slip up earnings.
No, they don't slip up. Yeah, let me check their earnings actually. Google's usually pretty good. Honestly, I think one of the safest tech stocks is probably Microsoft. They've never missed, bro. Like I was looking at their track record. They green across the board for like at least 2 years, 1 year at least minimum. So this one's gonna definitely be interesting to watch this quarter because I don't know, they just got a clean record, you know. It's pretty alpha, you know. That's for Google. And I do want to cover more of that Walmart news if you guys want me to, but the homie asked about Google really quick. If you guys can just help me like the video, that's all we ask, right, Trippy? Just hit the like button for us so we can get this DD out to people. We need to. And then we're gonna get him on a rap because he's got a new beat. Give him a sample
also,
of the beat.
we are gonna talk about some spooky DD and some inflation DD. So tune in, boys.
Yeah, check Google, bro. He said check Google, bro. Hey, give him a sample of the beat though, because we're gonna take a commercial break. You know, you're gonna rap.
Oh, I'm at my fridge right now, bro.
Fuck. Okay, we'll give you that sneak peek of the beat in just a second. He said check Google, bro. So honestly, I'm bullish on Google, but it does look like it's in a bear flag. It's got that pole right here, and then we've been consolidating here, so it does look bearish. But I do think a lot of the sell-off has been priced in. Like this thing lost, like how much percent did it lose in like 1 day, 2 days? From the highs, it's already down 8%. So everything that it worked to get back up there, it basically lost it already. So honestly, if it starts breaking I guess 106, yeah, about 106, then I easily think 100 is the next support. So definitely don't want to get to those levels, but I don't know. I think, like I said, Google's gonna find a way. I think didn't they start doing layoffs or something? They started hard freezing, so that they can kind of keep up with the earnings per share. Oh, you're at the fridge. You can't talk. So yeah, I think Google's gonna do good. I think even here on their earnings, didn't they move? What did they do here for earnings? Oh, they missed. Oh. Historically, though, they have a good record down here. I mean, they never. This was the first time they missed, actually, in like a long ass time. Yeah, since like 2020, just July. And I think the July number should be okay for them as well. Let me see what July did last time. This is their June. They beat by 41%, 10%. I think it's good. Trigger man. What's the other one you wanted me to talk about? Oh, did you dip? You went to the refrigerator. Yeah. Anyway, what's going on with Walmart? I'll go back to Walmart. And yeah, ever since this thing broke out, I can't believe this thing is like all the way back to the lows. That's insane. I think Google's earnings is basically priced into the downside almost. It's got a little bit more that you could. I'm probably going to end up getting a call or two for Google just because it's such a strong company. I don't think they would miss. I think they've pretty much adjusted based off their last quarters. I'm sure they adjusted for things. Obviously, like the. Oh, he said TSL. My bad, dog. What is TSL? Think Smart Limited Ordinary. What is this? King. $24 stock engages provision differentiated.
Oh, didn't they run up?
Oh, it's a retail. It looks like it's a retail. Is this thing up or down after hours? What's it doing? What's up with this one? It's got no volume. It's got like 229K in volume. Retailers, so differentiated products to retailers in multiple sectors. Do you think this one could be a lagger and start dumping? Or what do you think? Let me see where it's at after hours. TradingView sucks sometimes, honestly. No, I love it, but it just be lagging sometimes, you know? Sometimes it doesn't want to show me what I need to see. TSL. It's not even a ticker, King. Where's it at? It's a private? Is it private? Are you sure you spelled that one right? TSL? Thinks. Is it Think Smart or Tree Island? Which one is it? Oh, it's not even a US.
Breaking news. Sorry, G.
What happened?
That I have to interrupt, but this is breaking news coming from Unusual Whales. Monkeypox concern level is a 10 out of 10. Department of Health and Human Services Secretary said.
Can you plug in the link? We gotta get them the fast news, brother. Come on, brother.
Yeah, it's on the trippy shit.
Oh shit, I missed it. 1 second, y'all. We're pulling it up for y'all right now. Breaking news just came in. Monkeypox concern level is a 10 out of 10. Department of Health and Human Sciences Secretary said. So check all the vaccine stocks, guys. Check all the vaccine stocks. INO is one. I think this one should be running. This one's big lagger. I posted some trippy stuff on the Discord. Oh, you took it down, bro. Did you take it down? No, you didn't take it down. Yeah, smallpox, monkeypox, INO stock. I can't be talking about all this stuff here, right? I'm gonna get demonetized, brother.
Yeah.
Come on, brother. Yeah, definitely check out the vaccine stocks. Shoot sounds the alarm vaccine stocks. I can't be talking about this online, brother. They're gonna take me down. Siga is running after hours. Really? She's gassing, bro. 3% after hours. Yeah, this one was up 30% today. This was the first one. What was the other one? There's a few other ones that are running with vaccine plays. Is that all Trigger Man or is it just Siga? I completely forgot about this one. I seen it today. It was at 30%, but I forgot about it after hours. Breaking news, though. Breaking news. I think lockdowns are gonna happen, Trippy. What do you think? Most definitely.
I believe if they're making such a big deal out of this, then guys, let's be for real. If they are making a big deal out of this quickly, then what do we think can happen next?
For what?
Only time will tell.
Well, you already confirmed some of the lockdowns are gonna happen, and some of the DD.
Yeah. Do you want me to keep talking about this, DD, on live?
Let me ask the people in the crowd. All right, y'all want Trippy to talk about the trippy stuff? He's got some.
No. Most importantly, let's make a poll, guys. Do you think lockdowns this year? Yes or no?
Lockdowns this year. Well, that's a good poll, actually. Lockdowns in 2022. All right, yes or no?
Thank you, everybody, for tuning in.
Go ahead and vote. Also, check out the Unusual Whales link referral. Make sure to go vote for lockdowns in 2022 or not. Right now, in the meantime, we're going to go back to Walmart and we're going to talk about what happened with them. Did I already talk about this? Sorry. Seeing strong back to school. See, this is just a bluff, though. The company said seeing strong back to school sales in the USA, but I mean, people are still going to pull back from it. They're just going to buy the necessities, my guy. Just buy in general merchandise. And this is actually going to go into the second half, too. So this is not just, for this quarter, it's going to be a bad earnings. It's going to also leak or bleed into the second half. So third quarter, fourth quarter, just a bad 2022 year for even like a safe consumer stock like Walmart. So that's going to affect, obviously, some of the other retail consumer staples like Costco, Target, what else? Ross, Nordstrom. What else we got on there? We got a couple of things on there that we can find. Let me go back to the Unusual Whales. So tomorrow, big opportunity to play some companies to the downside. We already have the vaccine for the monkeypox. Which one is that? Is that Siga? We got to go back to sectors flow. Trippy, the Trigger Man says we already have the vaccine for the monkeypox. Is that Pfizer? I don't trust Pfizer, bro.
I'm not sure, but I do know that is true. There is a state somewhere in the States that is giving limited access to these vaccines as well. It could be Arizona. I do believe it's a state in the West Coast. I can double check.
Do you mind checking for us? We're trying to give these people fresh DD. Take a look at SPY. Oh shit. Yeah, let's talk about SPY, guys. SPY, I was talking about it in the Discord all day. I see it head and shoulders, alright? Now, it didn't break down, so that's the only thing that I saw. But we have a head and shoulders in this, my guy. We have the shoulder here, the head, and then we have a shoulder, right? The neckline is basically this here. And so I was honestly expecting the stock to come down to about, we can just do this really quick.
Check the trippy shit.
Alright, 1 second. To like 388. Around my target would be like 388. This area right here. But it didn't break down. Algos, man, they strong with this one. Arizona. He's talking about Arizona. Is that it? The one that approved the vaccine? So this is the head and shoulders pattern that I saw, but it didn't completely break down. Obviously now we're down 0.35%. We're basically at 394.18. I guess still not underneath it, but once we get into these levels under like I would say like 393.50, like again, once we get under here again, then most likely we're going to continue breaking down to my end target's going to be like 88, 388. You said something about what were you saying? Oh shit, I just got a celebration invite to a birthday party. Ooh, we've got multiple party games. Poker. Shit. Alright guys, I got plans for Saturday now. Let's go. What were we talking about? I forgot. Let's go back to some of the breaking DD. Oh yeah. So this is gonna basically Arizona. He was talking about Arizona, Trippy. Yeah, I was just saying this is gonna drag everybody else. Target, Macy's, Kohl's, Nordstrom, Arizona too.
Wait, did I say Arizona too?
Yeah, you said Arizona too.
Oh, okay, good.
Alright, so I guess that's basically all I have.
Check the Trippy shit though.
Oh, right. You told me to check that. Let me go back. Trippy shit. Should I do the Walmart plunges one, or should I do the... Oh, you got a couple of them. Alright, guys, this stuff's gonna get scary. Let me go ahead and pull this one up. Baltimore? How many monkeypox? Why you gotta put me out like that, bruh?
I am just showing that how quickly all of these states are reacting to this.
Yeah. Okay.
You know.
How many monkeypox? Yeah. A group of public urging Baltimore leaders. Ooh, lesbian, gay, bisexual communities. Didn't you have something to say about that? Yeah. At least 71 in Maryland. Let me zoom in for the people in the back.
Monkeypox vaccine from Bavarian Nordic wins EU approval. That is really huge for the EU for this company. What stock ticker is that, GGG?
I don't know. You have to tell me that. I'm reading something else, my guy. This is talking about transmitted diseases, though. Are you serious right now? I'm going to close this one out. We're going to go to the next article. We're talking about this one right here, how to get vaccinated, tested, and treated. I don't have the free account, my guy. Or I don't have access to that one, bro. Alright, we're fumbling right now. We're fumbling major. NC expands eligibility for monkeypox vaccine. Here's who can get it now. San Francisco, Washington, New York City has confirmed cases across a few different states. 1,800 plus cases. No cases confirmed. Oh shit. Shit's getting serious, bro. There's only a few states that don't have it. Like 5, 6 states.
Oh, nice. The ticker is up 10% today.
Who is?
This one that got the approval from the EU.
What's the ticker symbol?
The ticker symbol is BVNRY. You gonna stream it too?
BVNRY? You type it in, bro, because that V and that V sound the same. What is it?
BVNRY.
Oh, this one. Over the counter? 10%? Bavarian Nordic?
Yep.
Cancer vaccines? It's over the counter stock, though. We can't trade this one. We're on Robinhood. Come on down. It's been running up since, like, damn, for a few days, though.
I see it on my TD account.
Yeah, it's been running for a hell of a long time. Like 5 days. It's up 60% since last week. Crazy.
Interesting.
So do you want to talk about Walmart, or I'm going to shut some of this stuff down? We already talked about all that.
Yeah,
I sent the one from Zero Hedge if you want to read that.
Oh yeah, let me pull that one up. Where's the Zero Hedge? Okay, here it is. What do you want to say about Walmart? Plunges after slashing outlook, primarily due to pricing actions aimed to improve inventory levels. So backed up on the supply and not enough demand. Saw 33% overall inventory last quarter. So they have a whole bunch of inventory that they need to get rid of. And so now they're trying to sell this stuff as low as they can so they can still make their revenues, but get rid of some of the stuff that's there, you know. And they're just backed up. Inflation is double digits. Oh, this is great. This is a great part of this article. Actually, I took a look at it earlier. So here's how it works. As we detailed previously, food inflation is double digits and higher at the end of Q1. This is affecting customers' ability to spend on general merchandise categories requiring like markdowns. So they're basically having to do more markdowns so they can get rid of this inventory, and particularly apparel, so clothing and shit like that. Here's how the secret works. Inflation is too high. Consumers tapped out and has to limit their spending. All right, inflation is affecting the ability for consumer to be able to buy stuff that they want. So now it's just necessities. Walmart and other retailers over inventoried for the pent up demand after reopening the economy and stuff. So we're gonna get ahead and get a whole bunch of shit, right? But now they have to liquidate some of this stuff to make into a much weaker environment since the economy's slowing down. Is that right, Trippy? And while this is good for, I guess, consumers, we who are about to see sharply lower prices as a lot of the inventory is going to be liquidated. The WMT shareholders are going to take a hit because now it's going to hurt their revenue and their margins and stuff. So if they were making like $5 off of each shirt they sold, now they're making like $2 off each shirt that they're selling. So that's going to hit them where it hurts, I guess. I'm going to close that article. We're done with that one. And basically the same thing happened with Target, and they actually, announced this. This is what basically happened to Target last time.
Also, guys, let's not forget, Walmart is the largest U.S. retailer as well.
Mm-hmm.
And for them to not have them good profits, man.
What do you say about other company? Yeah. Go ahead. I am going to interrupt.
Oh, that's it. I sent other DD if you want to take a look.
Yeah. I was going to take a look at it. I was just going to show them that Target, they announced this stuff like last time, and it brought down the market. What day was this? This was May 18th. So let's go back to SPY May 18th, and you're going to see a big sell-off that day. So I'm expecting a red day tomorrow, May 18th. Yeah, huge sell-off day right here. So let me get an idea of how much we lost that day. We opened at 403 and we closed at 392. So almost a 3% day.
GGG. Remember?
What's up?
Remember when I told you that this week, day after day, there's going to be different news catalysts for a bear market?
Right.
Only the beginning, brother.
It's the beginning, brother. So I think we'll probably, we could see 385 tomorrow, brother. 10 points tomorrow. I'm just giving an idea here, an estimate. And at that point, we're so close to this gap down here that we might end up filling this thing coming down to like the 378 level. What do you think? Sheesh. Everybody dipped. Nobody cares about Target and Amazon, I guess. Yeah, so that's what happened with Target. And they're trying to get rid of some of this unwanted inventory, trying to squeeze out some of the profits, but it's good luck because some of the analysts are saying that they still might miss the consensus in Q2. So with 15 billion of over inventories and elevated costs, let me zoom in for you guys too because maybe you can't see this. But in Q1, it remains to be seen how Target can turn its operations around by Q2. The guidance of 2% operating margins for Q2 would be a hard pill to swallow, since Target historically reports about 6% pre-pandemic and up to 10% in 10. So that's a huge cut. Like they're only gonna do about what the guidance of 2% versus 6 to a 10. Like what's going on with Target? That's just bad. That's a safe haven stock too. Basically, it's kind of a growth, but not really. Therefore, we expect to translate as poor stock performance post Q2. So I would definitely wait till after Q2 to see if you want to add some of this to your long-term portfolio. But this is bad for the economy, guys. And also, I pulled this one up. Not only is the safe havens coming down, but Amazon earnings are probably going to shrink as well. So you've kind of been seeing that being affected by Walmart. But there could be still some more downside, guys. So what are you thinking, Trippy? Walmart, you bullish on Walmart? And
Nope.
Amazon?
Nope.
Hell no. Yeah, it says Amazon's is gonna cut back on some of their clouding service too because of recession. So they're gonna be like doing discounts and stuff. So some of the companies are basically gonna start cutting their contracts and stuff. So to mitigate some of that weakness in demand, Oracle and some of these other companies are doing like end of the year or whatever discount sales to be able to gain some of these contracts again. So overall, in general, just not really feeling that. I think it's gonna be bad. And then tomorrow we have housing pricing index, so that's gonna be big for the housing. You think that housing market's gonna crash or no, Trippy?
20-30%, yes. And I would also wait on buying the buyback too, for those who are interested.
You think the interest rates are gonna come down or no?
No.
Yeah. And we also have the consumer data confidence. That's gonna affect Walmart tomorrow.
The average, I will say this. I've taken a look at my area. The average monthly payment for house mortgages over here are about to be $1,700 in Florida, in my area.
For a house?
Yep.
What about apartments? How they talking? What they looking like? Probably like $1,200, no?
Dollars a rent, probably.
Yeah.
$1,200, $1,100. You know, we all know the living in where in New York? Brooklyn or Manhattan? My bad. It's like 5.3 something a month to live in Manhattan.
5,000, yeah. It's insane what they're doing over there. But anyway, just a few other things. So definitely look at the data coming out tomorrow, consumer confidence, and also the housing price index stuff. We're just gonna get an idea of what the price in housing is doing. Honestly, I don't think the houses have pulled back enough. Like, they're still elevated. So not until we start seeing, because people have jobs still, so they're paying their house. We need to see a lot of layoffs. We need to see a lot of houses going to mortgage. Like,
how did that unusual Wales tweet go? 75% of Americans can now barely afford their house payment or something.
Yeah.
Damn.
Insane. Still 25% needs to go higher.
And we have a president who is lying to everybody.
Yeah. Snake.
Fuck that. You can pull up the DD. I got it clipped over there in the trippy shit.
Alright, bet. 1 second. Let me close some of this stuff out. We already did that one. What else? Let me see. Oh, trippy shit. Which one do I share? The Biden one? Oh no, this one right here?
Tweets going down, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's read the first one, guys.
You gonna stream it?
Yeah. White House, Dr. Shah, we have a procedure.
More vaccines than any other country in the country.
Let me hear this. Did I hear that correctly?
We have procured more vaccines than any other country in the world.
What's he saying here,
Probably more than every other country in the world combined.
What is he saying here? We have procured more vaccines than probably every other country in the world combined. You got anything to elaborate on that?
What'd you say?
Bro, I said, I'm sharing. Oh, I'm not even sharing the. Let me stream my stuff so you can see where I'm at. How about that? Let me go live. Screens. Here, I went live. Now you should be able to see what I'm plugging up for the people. Or is it just you on the stream right now? Yeah, we're clowning right now, honestly. Nobody's watching the Trippy show today, I guess. Nobody's watching the Trippy show. Hey, I streamed real quick. Let me look at Twitter real quick on my other screen. Let me see what the cloud's for. Simply Alberto. Yo, Trippy, you got anything to say about these vaccines? He disappeared, y'all.
What's up?
I said I streamed the video so you can see what I'm sharing.
I can do.
So did you have anything to say about this man? He say he's
They're gonna start jabbing people.
by jabbing people. They're gonna have to start like mandatory or what? Let me look at this other one. White House declines to define. Let me see what this one says. What a recession is. Did you see this one?
The White House's definition of a recession.
Again, I'm not going to define it.
Yo, what's up,
here.
Big
I'm just going to
Kahuna?
leave it to the
1999.
as we
Is
have
this your
stated
backup
how
account,
they
Trippy?
define,
Big Kahuna?
recession.
Okay, we won't declare it one until they have declared it one.
No,
I'm
that's
just
not
saying
me.
that we're just
That's
not going
not
to
me.
define it. We use the indicators that the NBER,
What's up, Big
the
Kahuna?
National
What's going on,
Bureau of
brother?
Economic Research,
Can you look at the
used.
flow on
We've
Ford?
mentioned that a few
I
times.
got you, brother. One second.
And what is exactly the White
I got
House's
you, brother.
definition
We're trying to
of a
define what
recession?
the recession
don't-
is,
we
'cause
don't
there's no clear what recession
I'm
is.
not
They're
going to
being
define it from
idiots
here. I'm
over
just
there.
going to leave it to the NBER.
What is a recession,
as
Trippy?
we have stated of how they define
A recession is when
recession-
the U.S.
recession-
economy has
They have
back-to-back
declared it one.
I'm just saying that we're just not going to
horrible
define it. We
GDPs.
use the indicators
Negative.
or
that the
in the
NBER,
negatives, you know.
the
And if we have
National
that twice in
Bureau
a
of
row,
Economic
that would
Research
be the
have used.
definition
We've
of
mentioned
a
that a few times.
recession.
And
Yes,
what
sir.
is
And you know
exactly
what's
the
crazy?
White
I just
House's
checked the
definition
poll,
of a
and we got 6 votes, and 67% of the people think we'll have a lockdown. I don't know if that was from your backup accounts, but we have 6 people that think we're gonna have lockdowns again, based off the monkeypox. What's the big idea here? Why do you think we're gonna do lockdowns again, Trippy?
Can you say that again?
I said I was just checking the polls, and we have 6 people that think we're gonna do lockdowns in 2022. So what's the thesis behind that? Monkeypox, right? Or what? What are you thinking here?
Yeah, I do believe it's going to be a quote-unquote emergency threat to everybody's health,
Yeah.
and put everybody on lockdown. Guys, and to the people who voted no, please
Tell them, Trippy.
comment why you said no, because we are in levels where we've never reached ever before, and for them to now announce this and slam it on top of everything else,
Right.
like, why wouldn't you see a lockdown coming in? That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait to see if they answer. But they voted, so they need to tell us. They need to explain, right? What do you think about Ford, though? We got Ford earnings coming up. GM earnings in the morning. Got a lot of bearish puts today. Oh my goodness, tons of bearish puts. I think it's safe to say bearish on Ford. And actually, I've been tracking Ford for a while. They've been having bearish sweeps for a while. These are the $12 puts for 819. Now they're doing 826, 12 and a halves. And all these are sweeps. Man, this is a good call out, Big Kahuna. You smart man. Honestly, let's take a look at the chart for Ford. You bullish on Ford or bearish? You think they'll be able to get their vehicles off the ground?
I don't think anybody's buying them, really. I have seen a couple of them, but
Yeah, the Bronco's cool though.
yeah, but we all know that numbers for the EV car section isn't that great, you know?
Yeah, we don't have the infrastructure yet for EVs. For real. You feel me? What do you think? So not much. Not much resistance above these levels, but it's having trouble getting above into the 13s. If you can see, if it can get into these areas here, oh shit. Yeah, if it can get into these areas up here, there's not much resistance. There's a lot of room to go, but the problem is getting above these levels here. It's having trouble. So honestly, if it can get above 1280 again, it's really good support for it. Then definitely be looking to play it down to probably low 12s. Now that might not seem like a lot, 80 cents, but for the stock market and options, that's a lot, I think, based off like the percentage, right? So like 80 cents for 12. Let me see what we got here. That's like 6%. Yeah, so you make hella bread on some puts if it works out. It's crazy though. This, I think in the morning, GM's gonna report. It's gonna affect a lot of the EVs. So Tesla, Ford, Rivian, some of the bigger American electric vehicles probably gonna come down.
I'm bearish on that too.
Bearish on what?
On GM earnings.
Bro, this is actually a really good flow that the homie pointed out though. A
Thank
lot
you,
of these 12.
We all can make money together.
Yeah, hella bearish puts. Let me just unclick my filter and just do a regular filter and see what's going on with some of the other flow. But that's hella creepy. A lot of puts on the 1250s for 26. Let me just pull it up again. By the way, you guys can look this up on your own. I put the link down below. Let me pin it so you guys can check it out. It's also in the description. You guys can look at the flow on your free time if you want. I'm going to pin this real quick. It's at the top, y'all, if y'all need it. That's it though. 25,000. The Elder premium coming in above 25k is bearish puts, bro. There's like a few calls, but it's a neutral order, so it doesn't even matter. Let me do 15,000 just to get an idea of anything coming in that's bullish. There's a little bit, but yeah, nah, everything's dominated by puts. That's crazy. Let's do 5,000 just to make sure. Okay, now there's starting to be more flow, but it's like smaller orders. They're like baby orders, 5,000, 6,000, 9,000. Like, the big ones are these right here, which the homie pointed out at the beginning of the day, 8:33, right at the gate, actually. Sheesh. Okay, thank you, Big Kahuna. Let me know how that one goes for you, plays out. Let me know how it plays out. We're going to move back over to some of the... Oh, do we want to cover some of the price action on this? So the only reason I was bullish on this is because it does look like it was flagging out, like on the chart. Looks like it's flagging out. But with the market conditions, it might not even break out. It might just come down. And honestly, this was like a inverse head and shoulders too. So this was a bullish flow or bullish pattern. So I was expecting like a retouch of like that 350, but we'll see how that plays out. What's the next DD, Trippy? What's the next DD? If you guys have other tickers you want me to cover, let me know. I'll put them in the thing. I gotta report some of this stuff. You want to look at Apple or you want to look at some of the DD you posted? Oh, we need to take a break. We gotta let you rap a little bit.
True. All right.
You got the beat or no?
Yeah, give me 2 minutes and I will.
I bet. We got more votes coming in. We got 7 votes. 57% think we're going to go on lockdown. 43% don't think we're going to go on lockdown. You guys make sure to hit the like button for us. We're doing this for free. Out of our time. We're giving out too much free game, bro. What do you think? So Ford looks good. I think Big Kahuna dipped. Is Big Kahuna still here or no? I think he left.
What's up? I'm back. Are you ready to wrap?
Yeah. I'm waiting on you, bro. We're doing a quick commercial break. We're gonna get the homie to rap for us. And you gotta play the beat so we can hear it though.
Alright. I will.
It's copyright free, right? Royalty free?
Yes.
Let's go.
Alright, boys. If your GGG's crushed in the comment section. Are y'all ready?
Yep.
Oh shit. Alright. Let's go.
Turn me up.
Put Joe Biden's bitch ass in the background.
Yeah, turn me up.
Hey, yeah, smoking these trees till I can't breathe. I remember back then I was broke on my ass. Made a couple options of non-booming. Yeah, hey, yeah, made a couple option plays. Now I'm rich. But during the recession, hey, gotta stock up, buy gold, buy silver. Walmart going down, beginning of the everything bad going down. Bad bitch wanna suck this.
Diamonds on my fingers, baby. Blues, they like I'm mine. I don't really know my bitch. I feel like Caroline.
Alright, that's enough now. Let's get
That's enough.
serious.
Let's get back to work, y'all. Come on. So what's this
Come
clown
on,
saying? Joe
we
Biden.
gotta wrap up. It's the end of the world.
Huh?
We gotta cheer people up. It's the end of everything.
And Mr.
Sir,
President,
yeah.
we're getting GDP numbers on Thursday. How worried should Americans be that we could be?
There's what's his name?
We're not going to be in a recession.
It's patient.
In my view,
And Mr.
So
President,
he said
we're
we're not
getting
going into
GDP
recession.
numbers on Thursday. How worried should Americans be
Nope.
that we could
You
be
agree with
in
him?
a recession?
we're not going to be in a recession.
But why are you asking me that goofy ass
And
question?
Mr. President, we're getting
Cause
GDP
I
numbers
gotta
on
make
Thursday.
sure we're on the same page.
Man, fuck Joe Biden.
What is this? I'm gonna get demonetized for this, King. Come on now.
Don't play it. Don't play it.
This is sign up exclusive content at Danielle.
Bud, it's chill. Don't play it.
Okay, I can't play that one, y'all. That's it. That's all the DD we have today, y'all. You got anything else to say, Trippy? I'm gonna keep this one short.
I think as more news catalysts come out, I think me and GG will go live just to talk about it for y'all.
Yeah. Hey, but you said you had a whole bunch of stuff to share. It turns out it's just a few tweets. Come on. You need to elaborate on some of this stuff.
Guys, it's just
If y'all
there's
want
no-
the real DD, y'all need to join the Discord. That's all I'm gonna say.
yeah. Scroll through my trippy shit. You'll find something there to talk about.
Find something. A lot of people making fortunes in there for free game, bro. We gotta stop.
Oh,
We gotta
bro,
stop
show the China shit, man.
Huh?
The recent one, the China screenshot, man.
Well, send it.
I did.
China shit. The gold one?
Yo, that's serious.
Oh,
Remember,
shit. That's serious, boy.
guys, a couple streams ago, a good
Mhm.
handful of streams ago, we talked about all of the U.S. banks buying up gold and doing it in an amount that is historical. And now we have these Chinese banks doing the same.
What's that tell you?
They're betting on the dollar collapsing. The collapse of China is already happening around there. But let me tell you something. BRICS cannot continue on until China flips the switch on the reset because they are going through some crazy shit right now.
So is that it? The world's gonna come to an end or what?
No. We are going into a new world order where everything is going to be a digital credit score system. They want to monitor us and see what we buy and where we go. And if they don't like you or if you talk badly, then they'll lower your credit score and you can't buy shit.
Right. It's gonna be controlled. Is it like a dictatorship? What do you think?
Huh?
Is it like a dictatorship or what? Or worse?
Communist. Guys, and if you're calling bullshit on what I just said, if the Prime Minister of Canada did that to the people who were just family members of the truckers, or even the truckers as well, if he froze their bank accounts and stopped them from buying anything and supporting their family, paying rent and everything, and if China has done the same, come on now.
Now, what a coincidence. New Sir Lankan, president in both UK Prime Minister candidates, are part of the WEF program. Right? Trippy? Elaborate on that. You sent this DD earlier.
Yeah, they're just puppets of Klaus Schwab. Whatever he says they do it. And if it's to destroy the economy, they'll do it.
You believe in that?
I think if you don't believe in it, then you're still blind. And if anybody wants to argue, let's argue.
Let's do a debate next live stream. What do you think?
Yep. I'll bring on Gummy.
Oh shit, don't bring out Gummy. He's serious, bro. Is he tuned in right now? Is Gummy tuned in right now? If you're out there, Gummy. He's heating up. He's heating up. Damn. Well, I think that's gonna be everything, right, Trippy? Well, you got anything else to say about these stocks? Hey, Saul just joined this live stream. He said he agrees.
You want to show an 8?
Huh?
You want to show this stock to the people?
I was gonna talk about Apple real quick. You said it's gonna come down. I think so too.
Yep.
Today it showed weakness, brother. It's coming down even after
Trying to
hours.
find resistance support, but couldn't.
I couldn't find anything, man. I had to draw the support so it could hold. It was just coming down. I had to keep drawing supports. I just kept breaking them though. There's a head and shoulders pattern on this too, I think. Let me see. Maybe I can pull something out of my ass real quick.
Yep.
Yep, right here. Head and shoulders. Confirmed. Recession confirmed. Damn, man. It's gonna be like that?
I called that Apple play last week. You liked that, huh?
Yeah, well, I called the top two. I said it's gonna come down from this right here. We already had the DD in the Discord. If you would have been in the Discord, you would have got it. Am I right, Trippy?
Yep.
What do you think's gonna happen for earnings? We got some earnings coming up. You want to go through some of these real quick? Oh shit!
I don't think Apple will miss, but
Still gonna come down.
I think the market will plummet, and then Apple will go down with it.
We got, so one thing I wanted to talk about is NXP. This is actually a semiconductor play. So I think they beat, but it's down after hours. So what is that telling you guys about semiconductors and forecast and all that? I think Qualcomm's gonna come down. We got Intel. What else we got? Texas Instruments. Texas Instruments gonna be big.
Where's
Gonna set the tone for sure. What's up?
AMC? Where is that?
I'm showing it right now.
McDonald's bearish, bro. Come on.
Bearish McDonald's, because they're making all their money off the dollar menu now, so the revenue's not there.
Bro, that dollar menu doesn't even exist.
It's not a real dollar menu. It's just, we just call it a dollar menu. It's more like a $1.50 menu, $1.99 menu. And then the double Whopper or whatever. No, that's wrong.
I remember being 12, 13, going to McDonald's with $1.01 to buy a McChicken.
Yeah, buying a McChicken for $1, brother. Now it's like $1.69, $1.29. That's a 30% tax increase. That's inflation for you, brother. We got Coca-Cola reporting in the morning. You think they'll do good? It's pretty much a safe haven. I'll be interested to see how they report, because if a safe haven like a Coca-Cola is missing,
I'm bearish on Chipotle. Bearish on Chipotle.
Because Coca-Cola, let me finish with Coca-Cola real quick. Coca-Cola is more of it's like a want. It's not a necessity. Like, you don't have to drink Coke. You know,
Oh wow, look at Chipotle.
What happened to Chipotle? Take a dump?
Look at the chart, yeah.
Chipotle is CMG. 1300, damn. You think this one has some room to go? Get the daily chart real quick. It's been consolidating for a while, but it's holding underneath that strong support level here. Like in 1323. Yeah, it's trying to get underneath again. I think the next big level of support's down here. Like 1200, 1100. Yeah, it's gonna fall, man. This one's trying to come down, brother. I want to know what their revenue is, honestly, real quick. Just curious. Go to CMG, Chipotle Mexican Grill. Chipotle is a desire too. It's not a necessity.
No,
37
but
billion.
No, dude. I remember reading somewhere where something about their supply and demand and them increasing prices and something like that. And them not having enough customers.
Yeah, they're doing the 1 cent guac for National Guac Day. They buy the dip. Literally. 37 billion market cap. It doesn't have many shares, so that's why it has such a strong stock price of 1,300. Because not many shares are out there. It's bringing in about $7 billion per year. So it's not too overvalued. Actually, it is. It's got a 56 PE ratio. 4.8 price to sales ratio. So it is overvalued. So you thinking put some Chipotle? What's the day range here? It moves about $40 a day on average. So today's range was 1313 at 1354. So about a $40 range. It doesn't move that much. When are they reporting? You said they're reporting, what day was it? Oh, Tuesday after close. Let's take a look at what they're expected to move. Let's go to earnings. Do Chipotle. Oops. Yeah, y'all heard that live. Chipotle is doing a 6.6% move. You think they beat or they missed, Trippy? So $1,200. So they're gonna move about $80, $90, $1,240. So kind of like down here. Sheesh. Let me undo that. So Chipotle will probably miss, is what you're saying, because it's not a necessity. McDonald's, I don't know what they're gonna do, honestly. It's a boomer stock. But Coca-Cola is another boomer stock too, actually. UPS, I think I'll be interested to see what UPS does. It's gonna be interesting because we can see how the gas prices are affecting transportation for everybody. For deliveries, for food transportation, just the consumer, everything, right? You got breaking news. Kingpin mentally on TikTok.
Yep, play that.
Breaking news, y'all. Breaking news. This just came out, or is this old?
It's new.
The world is changing. The world up until this point was based on freedom. How they advertised you to be a good slave was they would give you some freedom. And when I say slave, I use that word particularly because a slave used to work his ass off and he would get food and a house in return. And 99% of people out here, my friend, are working their asses off. They can buy food and a house. That's it. Most people are still slaves. So most people who are slaves, they would tell you you're going to be a slave, but you'll be free at least. You know, you can do what you want. You can think what you want. You can say what you want. You can walk around outside, look at the trees. You're a slave, but you're free. Freedom, freedom, freedom. And what happened when they did this, something changed. The internet came. People start to talk. People start to think. People start to realize how money's made. People start to realize it's all a scam. People start to realize that countries are in massive debt because people are in massive debt and there's no way to escape. Cryptocurrency was invented. Now you have Bitcoin, which is surpassing the global reserve currency. We don't need banks anymore. We don't need the IMF anymore. People are starting to talk. People have elected Trump, a man who's not bought and controlled by the establishment. People are starting to actually get their minds right. So the people in charge are like, oh, fuck. We're losing control. We no longer control the money. We no longer control who's in charge of each country. Oh, fuck, we've got to put an end to this. We can no longer base our societies on freedom. We must base our societies on safety. You can't think for yourself. We can't put these videos on YouTube because it's fake news and it's dangerous. You can't go outside because the virus and it's dangerous. You can't travel in between countries without that injection because it's dangerous. This is no longer about freedom, my friends. This is about your safety. They're going to take all your freedom away, and instead they're going to give you a nice big helping of safety. And you're going to take it and go, oh, at least I'm safe. You were safer before. You were safer before, because now the government can arrest you for saying something they don't like. Because now you're spreading fake news. You were safer when you could have an opinion. You were safer before all this shit. They're going to take all your freedom away and give you safety, and you're going to be less safe than you've ever been. And you're still going to be a slave. The world is changing.
Damn.
The world up until this.
You guys heard that here live first. We're covering the DD nobody wants to cover. Am I right, Trippy?
Yep. Sponsor us, Unusual Whales.
Sponsor us. Hey, Big Kahuna, is this your backup account, Trippy? Because you commented again. Bearish, it's a perfect storm this week with Feds dropping 1% on Wednesday. You think so? I thought Big Kahuna dipped. He's in here still, though. Big Kahuna. Oh, he doesn't have a
That's
ticket.
why I'm not in the market right now.
We're waiting for Fed Powell to speak. Honestly, I'm bearish on the market. I'm a big bear, but I would not be surprised if they do their little shenanigans and pump the market, go into recess, and we have a summer rally. It's not out of the picture. I think that they can definitely do that. Like, they'll, oh, we're going to do 75 basis point, everything's chill. Then they're going to leave to the little vacation. Then we're going to have a whole month away from the Feds. So that's going to be big for the market. So they're going to rally it up. And then come October, September, and then elections in November is like, okay, now shit's going to get serious. Market's going to start selling off again. What do you think, Trippy? Does that timeline look appropriate, or you think we have a sell-off come Wednesday? We're really waiting for that catalyst, you know? What do you think?
Yep.
Yep, what?
I'm waiting for that catalyst.
But do you think we have a summer rally, or you think they sell it off? Because it's algos buying this stuff, right? It's not retail. Retail left a long time ago. They left after the memes.
I think people saying, I think people saying that the bull rally will not begin until retail sells off is complete bullshit. I do believe there will be a sell-off, a crazy sell-off, and we are going through it now. And during that sell-off, listen carefully, they will blame retail and say retail is selling, and then to cause FUD and fear and all that shit. And then the squeezes begin.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Elaborate.
Oh, replay it, man. I know Big Kuna knows what I mean.
Big Kahuna, 1999. Is this your backup account?
No, that's not me.
Big Kahuna, what are you thinking here, man? You think we rally into the summer, into the fall, and then actually fall? Makes sense, right? We fall in the fall? Damn. Mind blown right there, huh? People are probably thinking, like, what are these guys talking about? I'm waiting on Big Kahuna, but he doesn't want to talk. What do you think he's going to say? Trippy?
Oh, cool.
Come on, man. You're making me look like a fool up here.
I think he's going to agree with me.
So do we go into the fall with a rally, or do we sell off? You said we have a sell-off based on free. Huh?
We sell off now, bro. At this time period, August and so on, it's no longer the summer.
So we're gonna sell off. It's basically August right now, bro. We got 1 month of rally.
We're selling off.
Yeah, we don't have a summer. Summer's over, my guy. Alright, he said Europe is very close to recession, then US definitely will follow. Will follow. Yes. Dude, Europe is crazy close to recession. And what's up with this war, Trippy? Like, I've been trying to get this across. Like, bro, they should have already knocked them out. Like, one way or another. Ukraine should have been wiped, or Russia should have already won, or you know what I mean? They over there stalemating. I think it's a planned event. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's just a way to have leverage and manage. It's just a way to have control.
Just a way to. It's just a scapegoat for what's going on.
It's a distraction too.
Yeah.
Cause that man, what's his name? The dude in the front lines, the president. He's like, oh, I'm gonna be at the front lines fighting with my soldiers, bro.
Zelensky.
Yeah, he's an actor, bro. He's one of the greatest actors out there.
I'm telling you, GG, we are all. They are just. This is all a world stage to them.
Mm-hmm. And we're the puppets. We're the guinea pigs. What do you think?
Yeah, we're the puppets.
No.
We're the ones who say.
Yeah.
I mean, not
yeah.
puppets. We're the guinea pigs and shit
We're
like
the guinea
that.
pigs. Yeah, right. My bad. My English ain't too good. What do you think about Europe recession, though? You think that one's done? GG for Triple G on the Europe recession.
Honestly, I thought the U.S. would go down first, but from what it looks like, the U.S. not want to admit anything. They don't want to admit anything, so...
No, the European recession always comes before the U.S. recession. It happened in 2008. 2008.
Oh, well. So be it then. Let Europe fall.
You think they fall, though, or no? Because they're playing games right now.
They are, and the people have been trying to protest and shit like that over there, too.
Yeah, what's up with the trucker stuff?
Man, it's just a whole lot of bullshit happening in the world.
Yeah. Honestly, EWG's been like stalemated right now. Stagnated.
Yeah.
It's been going sideways for a while now. I think it's gonna probably fall soon, actually. Might be time to get some puts on this. What you think? The European market. Puts on the Germany market.
Yeah, that would be good.
You got any more DD? That's it.
I think that's it.
What do you want to tell the people and the viewers home watching this later?
Prepare. Prepare.
Yeah, it's over. It's over.
Because when lights would go out, the solar flare event catalyst that these elite people are waiting for, like how it goes with according in the Bible, how one day the sun won't give its light for like a couple of days. That ties in with the solar flare event, and I believe that could happen probably in November, maybe, when they realize that when they realize they can't control shit, the people of rebellion here in the U.S., and the lights go out. That's why Bill Gates, has these chemtrails to block out the sun,
Damn.
All right, that's all I got.
Damn.
And if you want to learn more, search up the Carrington event of 1895, and even more than just search up solar flare event. That's
sign up for the Discord. You got the free game in there. Free DD. But I was gonna say we got 8 votes in total. We got 62% of those, so I think like 5 voted for lockdowns. So what do you think? And we're not getting that many viewers today. I think YouTube is suppressing us, man. I think they see us spreading the truth.
Yeah. How many likes we got?
Only 3, bro. I think they're suppressing us right now.
I see 4 on my screen.
It's just 3, man. Let me go ahead and like my own video real quick. Sometimes you gotta do that, Anyway, do we have anything else to say, or are we done? Oh shit. I think the Big Kahuna guy is left.
Yeah.
Damn. I just hit the like on my video. Let's go. That's bullish. And I'm gonna use my backup account. And give a like on that too. What do you think? You always gotta have a backup account. Because you never know when they're gonna take down the main account.
Yeah, sub to the other one.
Yeah, sub it. Alright. So, I think that's gonna wrap it up, y'all. I don't know how to end this. We've kind of really strayed away from everything I meant to present today, but it is what it is. Do you guys have any tickers that y'all need me to cover, or I'm gonna probably wrap this one up? Hey, we just got like hella 6 viewers or something. Oh shit, it's coming back down. Never mind. I guess they don't have any tickers for us.
Yep.
You ready to end the stream then, Trippy?
I want to do a hosted live stream on Discord. So if anybody wants to do that, we can do that.
Just in the Discord? No YouTube?
Yep. Exclusive.
Exclusive for the Discord. Alright. Should you you want to send a tweet to everybody? Or an announcement? What are you thinking?
Yeah, I would do that.
Y'all join the Discord if y'all want to be a part of that. It's free. It's free, right, Trippy? No admission cost, nothing?
Yes, it's free.
Yeah, join the Discord. We talk DD, we talk stonks, we talk options, we talk a whole bunch of stuff. And we talk, what else? DD. Real
Just
DD. Some of the
real
DD.
facts.
Real
100%.
facts. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, I'm gonna sign out. Y'all check out the links in the description. Thank you guys for joining. We're gonna go back to the Discord. Get back on the Discord and read. If you guys have any questions or any tickers to cover, let me know and I'll put them in the video next time or something. Or put them in the comments. Or yeah. I think that's it.
I might do a space call.
Yeah.
So if you want to join that.
Yeah, join the Discord if y'all want to join that, and we'll send you the link. We might do a space call with Twitter Spaces. What do you think?
I'm gonna hop on one right now.
Alright, bet. Alright, y'all. We're signing out. Thanks for joining. See you guys in the next one. Stay safe. And thanks for those that showed up. Big Kahuna, Saul, and Triggerman. You guys are real ones for showing up. If you guys have any questions or whatever, just put them in the comments. And y'all have a great night. See you next time. Peace.
Peace out.
Peace out.